Good morning, lounge members and traders throughout the world. This is Master B coming from the Trading Lounge. This morning's morning recap on the ESE Mini. All right, guys, look, today we had to wait a little bit, roughly about, oh my goodness, 10:30. Okay. She was fluctuating at mid-range of the previous quarter points at 425 to 4,000. So one or two times you could have gotten your trades in, but I like to wait until price action is above my moving averages to do a continuation trade. You see, we had the golden ratio zone from the Fibonacci. So the morning opening came in, she went down first, could not stay below the midway, right? So she put in this bottoming tail or this spinning top. I took my Fibonacci and I ran it from the low, and I just waited until the first pullback, which is about 15 minutes later. She pulled back. I measured the pullbacks and saw that they was having problems with the golden ratio zone. So I just timed it. I just waited until I had full momentum of my MAC and my moving averages. Price was above it. I took it long, took it to the top of the Fibonacci, the 0, and that was my trade for the morning. All right. Just a quick market recap of ESE Mini. Pretty much did the same thing like yesterday, like clockwork. All right. This is Master B. Morning recap. I'm out.